The founder of ChatGPT, Greg Brockman, earlier this month tweeted that they will soon be launching a professional version of ChatGPT, which will be offering higher limits and faster performance, and now the news has been around that GPT-3 has begun rolling out its premium version. ChatGPT Professional. According to the reports, the well-known AI chatbot ChatGPT-3 from the Artificial Intelligence Research Center OpenAI has started to roll out a premium edition, which will offer higher limits and faster performance speed. Sources is saying that for an extra $42 a month, the professional edition will provide great features with more consistent availability, quicker response times, and special access to their premium users. Hello and welcome to my channel, The Technical Domain. Guys, if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get notified about every contents we create. Earlier this month, OpenAI disclosed that it was considering a premium version of ChatGPT. Additionally, the business had created a waitlist using Google Forms, which questioned consumers about the pricing range at which they would like to use the ChatGPT service and how disappointed they would be if they could never use the bot again, indicating that the launch may not be too far away. Even if they did not discuss anything about pricing or the availability of the paid version, rumors are around, and there are some users who started sharing pop-ups they are getting for the upgrade of paid versions. According to OpenAI, users who submitted a waitlist form might be the first ones to get chosen for the testing of ChatGPT Professional. Is ChatGPT a money-making machine for OpenAI? Started its journey only from November 2022, ChatGPT has become an internet sensation, creating a huge fan base with more than 75 million monthly users. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and many other popular trending apps took quite longer to reach same user base that ChatGPT did in a matter of days. It has gained huge popularity, causing us to ignore all other technology-related news. With whopping 75 million monthly users, running cost of this project is around $100,000 daily, and maintaining this has already become a huge challenge. But for now, OpenAI has come up with a new module, ChatGPT Professional. OpenAI may earn $3.46 billion in revenue in the first year, even if only 10% from the 75 million monthly customers decide to sign up for the premium program. With a profit margin of 60%, OpenAI will earn a staggering annual profits of $2 billion, which is pretty huge sum they collect from a single project. Can we still use regular ChatGPT for free? OpenAI started out as an open source and non-profit project, but for now, both are no longer true. Until now, yes, we can use it for free. They have created two different choices, but how long can we use it for free? There's no guarantee, and one thing is certain. With expenses of around $100,000 a day, nobody can give you just for free. As OpenAI moves forward with ChatGPT Professional, turning it into a commercial entity, the business makes no guarantees that it will always be available in a free version or not, as ChatGPT's current release is a just free research preview. In certain sense, we are all beta testers for a beta product that was created to become a paid one. I remembered the quotes rolling around in the internet: if you are not paying for something, then you are the product. Guys, this was all for today. Please comment below in what topic should I create my new video in, and support me with your fingers by clicking the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon for contents like this. See you in the next videos. Until then, bye bye and take care.